Hi you guys, today I am so excited to share with you this rainbow makeup look that you guys have been asking for a while. I am using the Courageous palette by Red Aspen, and it is everything courageous, a beautiful, colorful palette. You can actually incorporate this into very neutral looks as well, but today we are going full on rainbow power.
Okay, first up is the color Heart. It is a beautiful kind of rich garnet tone. I'm gonna put that on the outer V of my eye and then work that into my crease line. And don't worry about being too perfect here because we are going to blend this out. And so really just get it on, put it on the crease, put it on the outer V, and you are good to go. Okay, next we have the color Hustle. I'm just going to kind of soften this crease area with it. It has a nice metallic finish and is literally the color of straight fire. It is gorgeous. Next is the color Unbreakable. This is a really beautiful, like buttery yellow matte shadow. And I'm just going to blend to the heavens with this one until I get this really nice, soft melt. Okay, so next trick, I'm gonna take just a regular old makeup wipe and I'm going to clean off some of the excess on the area that I want to do my cut crease. Now this is a really easy way to do a cut crease. You're just gonna wipe where you can actually feel below your crease line, and then you're gonna go in with concealer or an eyeshadow primer and fill in that area. I find that when I pat and drag down towards my eyelash line, that is the easiest way to get a nice clean space. All right, next up is the color Unstoppable. This is a beautiful yellow gold metallic, and I'm going to do like the same motions. I'm gonna dab with a flat brush and just fill in all of that area with the concealer or primer. After that, I'm actually going to go back in with the color Hustle and blend in between that yellow and that deep garnet just to give a little bit of a fade. Not too much, just enough to make a nice transition. So here you can see I'm kind of going back and forth between both the gold shade and the nice red metallic. Very last thing I'm gonna do is go back in and deepen that outer V with the original color Heart, just to make sure everything is well blended together. So take your time here, really use your eye to make sure you're getting the look you want, but it really isn't hard. It's not very technical. It's just you wanna really pay attention on making sure you have the color exactly where you want it to get a nice fade and transition. Okay, so this is where the rainbow really starts to come to life. We are going to first go in with this beautiful vibrant emerald called Adventure. That's gonna go on kind of that inner corner of the eye, just dabbing and blending. Next, we're going to go in with this gorgeous, like vibrant sapphire tone called Brave. That's gonna go right up next to that emerald shade. I like to overlap just a little bit so you get a little bit of a blend, but don't overlap too much or you're going to really start blending those colors together, which is what we don't want. Next, we are going to go in with the color Persist. This is a gorgeous, vibrant amethyst color. It's gonna, again, kind of blend over that sapphire tone so that you get a little bit of a transition, but don't go too much because your lower lash line is not a lot of real estate. So if you go too much, all of these colors are just going to blend, blend, blend together. Next color and last color is POWERSUIT. This is a matte, I would say fuchsia tone. It has pink and purple in it. And I'm gonna take this and use it the most, putting it on the outer part of my eye and then blending up towards Heart and Hustle, which are those red tones on the outer V of my eye. Next, I'm gonna be using NAOMI's Glam Bam eyeliner from Red Aspen in the color Navy, just in my waterline to kind of tie everything together and make it flow really nicely. Next up, I'm using the color Bliss from the Fulfilled palette. This is a different palette than I've been using so far. Really, it's just a nice shimmery, creamy white tone. And I'm putting it underneath my brow, which I haven't actually penciled in yet, as well as my inner corner. To finish off my look, I used the brow kit as well as ASHA's ink liner. And now I'm going to apply one of my favorite lashes of all time, the ERICKA lash, which is like a cat flare lash. She's beautiful, long, very, very fluffy, and she really ties in dramatic looks, which I love.
Okay, you guys, that is it. I hope you really enjoyed this rainbow look. I know I had fun. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.